Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Dent token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Dent is a blockchain powered digital mobile operator that creates a global marketplace for buying, selling and sharing mobile data and at time aiming to democratize access and eliminate traditional roaming barriers. Global data marketplace. It uses the Dent token for facilitate peer-to-peer trading of mobile data, turning unused data into a tradable commodity. Digital mobile operator. The platform provides eSIM cards, internal data plans, and call top-ups, servicing over 25 million users in 140 plus countries. Blockchain-based transparency. All transactions are recorded on the Ethereum blockchain, ensuring security and eliminating the risk of non-delivery. Then project institution rating is 3. Then token total supply is 99.99 billion and circulating supply is also 99.99 billion. Then token is listed on Gate.io, Kraken, CoinDCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.